Alright, how's it going today, everybody? Today we're going to be opening up 6 packs of Scarlet and Violet 151. Let's just get right into it. Hopefully we can pull the Charizard. I do still need quite a few of these common cards for my 151 Master set. So let's just get to ripping. Code card. Holy Jesus. Already got PSA 9s everywhere. Okay. Mankey. Meowth. Execute. Clefairy. Onyx. Dragonair. Seadra. Reverse Holo Jolteon. That's one that I need for my master set, so that's good. Reverse Holo Slowbro. And Starmie. Wah wah wah. Jesus, I got fumble fingers today. Code card. Okay. Hold this better here. So we got Fire. Staryu. Charmander. Spearow. Bellsprout. Cloyster. That's one that I need for the master set. Giovanni's Charisma. Rhydon. Weeping Bell. Starmie. And Zapdos EX. Also another one I need for the master set. Okay. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one. People make fun of me for sleeving EXs, but I don't even care. Let's do it. Boom. Put it right there. Jesus. The struggle is real today with the fumble fingers. There we go. Try get better at doing this faster, guys. Bear with me. There we go. And upside down, dummy. Boom. Clefairy. Machop. Porygon. Electabuzz. Raticate. Erica's Invitation. Magneton. Reverse Holo Psyduck. Oh! Let's fucking go! Code card. Okay. Basic Energy. Machop. Porygon. Electabuzz. Rhyhorn, Kabuto, Gloom, Dugtrio, Reverse Arcanine, Reverse Giovanni's Charisma, and a Holo Chansey. Okay, code card. Oop, we're upside down. There we go. Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Meowth, Rigid Band, Nidorino, Executor, Farfetch'd Reverse, Poliwag Reverse. I love Poliwag. Look at his cute little face. And Omastar. And I actually need that one for the Master Set. So I'm not as upset about that as I normally would be. Getting the hang of opening up these Pokemon card packs, I'll tell you. Pokemon. It's Pokemon, bro. Get it right. Alright. Let's see what we got. Krabby. Sandshrew. Seal. Doduo. Cloyster. Giovanni's Charisma. Rhydon. Reverse Pinsir. Reverse Spearow. And another Holo Chansey. Okay. Another Holo Chansey. Get rid of that pack. We got a code card. We got a pack to look at. Here we go. Basic Fire Energy. Execute. I can hear my cat underneath the table doing something. Clefairy. Machop. Jesus, my voice cracked there. Porygon. There, we'll do the manly voice now. Parasect. Giovanni's Charisma. Cloyster. Reverse Squirtle. What are we going to have behind here? I think the manly voice should bring something. Bring some luck. Wah, wah, wah. Nidorino. And a Holo Ditto. Fuck the pack trick. Coughing. Tangela. Grimer. Psyduck. Nidoqueen. Victory Bell. Balloon. Venomoth. Execute. Raichu. And I didn't do the pack trick. I fucking completely forgot. Okay. Moving on. Alright, we'll do the pack trick on this one. Man. Bellsprout. Magikarp. Oddish. Mankey. Raticate. Erica's Invitation. Magneton. Big Air Balloon. And a Caterpie. It's a nice little illustration rare there. That is one that I do still need for the Master Set. It's a pretty nice card, honestly. I like the greens. That's really nice. What do we got behind it? Oh, we got a Wigglytuff EX. I actually need that as well. So this is really good. Okay, let's sleeve this Caterpie. We got 2 packs left. Now, I already opened half of this box in another video. So I'll go through all of the hits at the end. So we've got 2 more packs left. See if we can pull anything else out of 151. Boom. Okay. We got a shiny fighting. That's cool. We got a Tentacool, because that's cool. We got a Rattata. We got a Squirtle. Lickitung. I think that's actually a card that I need. I don't even think I have the common for that one yet. Rigid Band. Unless I pulled it earlier. I can't even remember. Rigid Band. Nidorino. Executor. Magikarp. And... no fucking way! There's no way! No way! I just pulled a Charizard. I literally pulled a Charizard. I pulled 2 Charizards out of 1 Blooming Waters pack. A Charmeleon. And that Caterpie that I lost already. That is unbelievable. And a Vaporeon behind it. Oh my god, let me get this sleeved up quickly. Wow. That's actually unbelievable. Unbelievable.